Today I'm looking at an item from Amazon Basics. It is really interesting and very, very reasonable for these 64 gigabyte micro SD cards. Fantastic. They come in a box just like you see here, Amazon Basics. They're very good price. I just want to show you what they look like. They come in this box just like you see here. Come with 2 cards. It's a fantastic value, by the way, just to let you know. Comes with a reader, a big, full-size adapter if you need to put it in your computer, or the actual micro cards themselves. These are 64 gigabytes each, and they come in the case. And this is a really good value. I was looking online, and actually the best price far as what I found was right here. I want to show you what they look like really quick. Open this up, get a nice close-up where you can see what they look like. Standard Amazon Choice 64 gigabyte cards, 2 of them, and also the micro SD adapter if you need that, depending on what your system is. I'm going to use these in some security cameras. That's what I got these for. These are fantastic. Quick review just to show you what they look like. Yes, they are real. Yes, they do work. And yes, they are good quality. And this is how they come, just in a case, just like this. Actually, like this configuration is really interesting. You can use one of them and then put it in a case, and then you use the second one if you run out of space. So that's what I have for you. Amazon Basics micro SD cards, 64 gigs. They have 2 different configurations, I think up to 512 gigs, I'm pretty sure. So this is the way to go. Definitely recommend this. I brought you some value. Don't forget to follow the channel for more. Appreciate your time as always. And don't forget to subscribe if you love this kind of content. I really do appreciate you watching my videos, teach you a little bit about stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.